It's 2025 and you're still in the car with the Kabis.
And we are grateful for y'all.
Truly. Okay. So guys, a little life update. I am running the 10K marathon this Sunday with no prep. Shocker.
Ria, I will not, guys. I just have to get into this. I will not be there to cheer her on because she's not even passing my lane that all the other marathoners do on the day.
That's a you problem.
Please, I support your decisions and respect your decisions to think about running on a Sunday morning. But let's be realistic.
It's more about the discipline that I'm trying to build in my life this year. And hence, we are at
Jamba Juice!
Eaten healthy for
2025's New Year resolution.
but only for
One episode.
someone just casually came right now and gave me AirPods like this to buy. Like anything can happen in Bandra. Can you find her?
Yeah, it's that lady right there.
I love this touch of 100% compostable straws. You know, you've come to a healthy place when they care about these little things. Let's get our Jamba on. Just holding this makes me feel like that Bandra Pilates girl, and that's the mindset, yeah, for 2025.
So are you trying to say you're the next Malaika Arora Khan walking through our Bandra streets being papped?
May I become one day? Just
Right.
that butt I don't want.
Guys, if you'll see Ria walking around any of these streets,
In Bandra, it'll probably be outside.
Benne. Because she's like 16th Road Benne. Ria, let's tell them what we have today from Jamba.
So they have a vast menu, guys, of different smoothies, smoothie bowls, super healthy stuff.
They had one brownie, which I found very strange.
The girl who was like, I want to eat healthy, was like,
My
hey, they have
eyes
a
are-
brownie.
My eyes are always on the desserts. I can't help it.
Yeah, that's so true. Your eyes are always on the carbs only.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूँ लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया
And we have to get you back into eating healthy
I'm
for
trying.
the one episode, guys.
Only for today. One time show only.
Yeah. So guys, we've got a Caribbean Passion, which is the smoothie made out of mango, pineapple and berries.
And I have the Acai Primo bowl, which has acai berry, of course, in powder. And it has, I think, strawberries, blueberries, banana, and great granola.
Something little carby. The granola.
I like
Love
the
it.
little crunch.
I love granola in a smoothie bowl. I think
Yeah.
it's so vital.
I think it's the most important
best
part.
ingredient of
Yeah.
a smoothie bowl is granola. Only a carby would say that. So let's get into it.
Go for it.
Starting with this berry-licious acai berry bowl. The acai primo bowl. Cheers.
Sorry.
First cheers of 2025.
Cheers.
It's special, huh? It's special.
Mm.
Good quality of fruits.
Mm.
Very nice.
They probably got it from the fruit cart outside.
Which we'll show you now.
Cut to.
Ace placement of this fruit wala in front of Jamba. Way to steal the thunder. Or maybe Jamba gets their supply from here. You never know. Definitely got it out of there. What a genius idea, huh?
Yeah. Man knew his marketing.
Hmm.
That's all I can say.
I honestly could see, like, if I were to eat healthy, I would like this, like, on a daily basis.
It's tasting better now that it's not as cold.
Okay. What are we rating it?
I think it's a 6 for me
Interesting.
because I feel like it needs more flavor.
Okay.
I think it could have done more with the acai berry powder. I think it needs that. And I would have liked some more crunch or more granola. I think it's too little.
I think I've seen the amount of granola they put. It was good, dude.
Mm.
It was like a fair amount. You know what I
I
mean?
can taste more of the strawberry, the blueberry, and the banana. Like I'm always fishing for the pieces.
Yeah. But I feel like, honestly, I think acai berry aside, it was a good one for me. I think the taste was there. The fruits are there. I feel like it's good quality of ingredients. I feel like, and it was a good quantity also of the bowl. Okay, so rating. I give this a solid 8, guys.
It's a 6 for me.
Because-
Could become a 7. Let's see.
I give it an 8 because I feel like it's just nice. I would eat this
Because
like if I have to.
you would eat it.
I wouldn't eat it, but if I had to, I would give it an 8.
I don't hate it because I ate it.
Because you ate it.
But I think this is too healthy for me. But it's nice. It's refreshing.
It's nice. I think it's nice enough. Like it's good.
It's refreshing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would I like crave it? Hell no. But like, is
Yeah,
it nice in the
I
moment?
don't get cravings of this. Like it's not.
Yeah, of course. Who craves? I mean, okay, only fit girls crave acai berry
Please,
bowl.
all of Bandra, bro.
Exactly. Only fit people crave it. But a carby wouldn't crave it.
Ria
That's
is still thinking about me mentioning Benny.
Yeah, all I can actually think is that Benny is just literally 50 meters away from me right now.
Shameless.
Okay, next.
Shameless.
Let's try the Caribbean Passion Smoothie, guys.
Let's.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I am underwhelmed is an understatement.
Okay, but like, did I just pick up something from my Raju Juicewala outside?
It's so mid. It's so like. I
How
don't know.
dare they charge $360 for this?
I mean,
This
I
is
guess it's a price
disappointing.
that they're charging more for their brand because Jamba Juice is like this international brand. But yeah, like
Overhyped as fuck.
even if your regular juice wala would sell this to you, you would get it for cheaper and the same taste, if not fresher vibes.
It's got this artificial sort of taste, little bit.
I don't know about artificial, but I just feel like it's underwhelmed me so much. I feel like, yeah, okay, it feels healthy, it's decent, but it's like, I don't know. I'm expecting like your Jamba Juice, like make it cooler. You know what I mean?
I don't think it's got enough to call itself a cafe dish.
Yeah. I think it's more like a juice menu. And dude, what's
But
shocking
it's-
is that this is a bestseller. If
How
it's
is
a
this a
bestseller,
bestseller?
it has to have a little more like pizzazz. Pizzazz. That's exactly what I was thinking.
It's
Yeah.
very.
I think it's like a. Should we give it like a 5?
Yeah.
Like a very mid drink. Like it's doing the job, but it's like, why are you just
Like
doing the
you
job?
could get the same thing in $60 from your normal juice wala outside anywhere you find on
Yeah.
the road, and he would also give it to you in a plastic cup, guys, and straw
Yeah.
with it.
Like, don't just do the job. Do better. That's the vibe.
Don't be sorry. Be
Yeah.
better.
Just whatever. This
Anyway.
kind of really now pushes me towards Benny.
I'm hungry now for the next episode.
But anyways, guys, I think Jamba Juice overall, I think if you're really, really looking for a smoothie place,
Or you just want to try something healthy for a change,
go try it.
but you're not going to be like wowed.
I don't, yeah. And especially if you're like a carby person like us, you're
It's a
definitely
big-
not. going
It's
to
a
be
big
wowed.
letdown otherwise.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I think it does the trick for someone who's looking for a quick fix, healthy thing.
yeah, then it's
Yeah.
okay.
Like if it's on your way from a Pilates session, do it. But don't go out of your way.
So all the Malaika fans out there, you heard Ria first.
Go eat at Scarlet House instead.
Make her some money.
Because of money.
So she can go for more Pilates and get more juices.
And get more jobs. Done. Not like she's working.
Okay.
Anyways, so that was a fun, interesting episode. And now I'm ready to run the 10K. The mindset is set.
Because fitness is a mindset, guys.
It
It's about
truly is.
wanting to be fit.
That we want to. We have established that with Jamba
We
Juice.
tried, but only for today. Now,
Yeah. Now we're
Ria,
craving
I'm missing
some,
the carbs.
Yeah, even I'm missing
Let's
some
go
carbs.
back to our
Let's-
usual programming
Done.
now. See you guys on another carbs episode. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.